Hi everyone, welcome back. In case you're not familiar with Salesforce Data Cloud, please refer to Part 1 to gain a better understanding of its functionalities. In this video, we'll be exploring a real-world scenario in the manufacturing industry to gain a deeper understanding of what Salesforce Data Cloud's capabilities are and how they can add value to your business. Similar to other verticals, manufacturing companies face a common challenge where their data is scattered across multiple sources, including CRM systems, billing systems, and ERP. This fragmentation makes it challenging to work with the data effectively and obtain a comprehensive view of customers. As a result, many companies struggle to gain a clear understanding of their customers, leading to mass marketing campaigns that fail to resonate with their target audience, resulting in low conversion rates and reduced customer engagement. To overcome these challenges, manufacturing companies can turn to the Data Cloud, which provides a centralized platform for managing customer data. By leveraging this platform, companies can gain a better understanding of their customers and operate more efficiently, ultimately leading to increased profitability and customer satisfaction. To better understand how Salesforce Data Cloud can benefit your business, let's look at an instance. Here, a manufacturing customer uses Salesforce CRM and their customer data is scattered across Sales Cloud, Commerce Cloud, ERP, and Marketing Cloud. To utilize this data, our initial step is to ingest it into the Data Cloud through pre-built commerce, sales, and service bundles with readily available out-of-the-box connectors. We can also leverage API to establish connections with external ERP systems. After our data has been ingested, we need to map it to corresponding entities in the industry standard data model. In this scenario, the Salesforce account object has been mapped to data model entities, account, individual, and contact point, as shown on the screen. Similarly, the order object ingested from Commerce Cloud is mapped to the sales order object. We are mapping order ID, amount, order status, total order splits, etc. have been mapped. This process of mapping allows for a consistent and standardized representation of data, making it easier to manage and eventually analyze data from various sources in a unified manner. After streaming and mapping the data, the next step is to unify it using identity resolution. This involves defining match rules and reconciliation rules. Match rules instruct the Data Cloud on which profiles to merge during the identity resolution process. In this case, we are merging profiles from different data sources based on matching first name, last name, and phone number. Reconciliation rules determine the most appropriate value to be saved. Specifically, in this scenario, we are establishing a source priority for an email address associated with a contact object, as per the customer's request. To create smarter segments, we can make use of calculated insights, which create specialized metrics such as CLV, sales cycle length, win rate, RFM scores, and engagement scores for different customers, giving us the opportunity to enhance our understanding of customers. And with SF Data Cloud's advanced technology, you can merge and match billions of customer identifiers to form comprehensive, unified customer profiles. This helps you to better understand and serve their needs to strengthen customer relationships. On the left, you can view their account, including opportunities and orders, while on the right, you can track their latest engagement metrics, such as orders placed, email interactions, and any ongoing cases. This showcases how data from different sources like Sales Cloud, Commerce Cloud, and others are unified within Salesforce Data Cloud. With the help of AI, you can effectively build audiences by identifying the most impactful segment to target. As an example, let's explore the winter discount for EMEA customers, which involves creating a segment of EMEA customers who made purchases during the previous winter season, and then sending them seasonal discounts. Once our profiles have been segmented, these segments can be seamlessly activated into Salesforce Marketing Cloud. This enables businesses to leverage their customer data for personalized marketing efforts across various channels including email, SMS, and social media. Furthermore, you can ingest engagement data from these marketing campaigns back into the data cloud to unlock more valuable insights about customer behavior and preferences. Salesforce Data Cloud enables us to humanize every moment with our customers. With the aid of Salesforce Data Cloud, these tasks can be accomplished swiftly within a matter of weeks. Also, the product team is constantly improving the platform's functionality, such as introducing data spaces. Data space is a logical partition to organize metadata, data, and processes so that brand, geography, or department-specific use cases can be easily implemented in Data Cloud. Other functionalities include Einstein predictive capabilities, integrating additional out-of-the-box advertising platforms, and enhancing query speeds for Tableau. Thank you for watching our quick demo. If you're interested in a more detailed demonstration, please don't hesitate to contact us at the following email address, marketing@crmit.com. We'd be happy to provide you with a more comprehensive overview of this product.